What is up, good people? So it has been a long minute since I last filmed, and honestly, for I don't know, wrong reasons, I'd say. Cause the biggest reason why I stopped filming is I got to a point where I think I had outgrown the quality of the videos that I was getting out of my phone. Which, to be fair, it's a bit of an older phone. So, yeah, all along I've been filming on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And, given the advancements in cameras, in the last, I don't know, 5 years, because I think now they're even on the iPhone 15. Later on this year, the 16 is coming out. So, almost 5 years ago. And so, yeah, and I've seen, the quality of other cameras, camera phones, and honestly, yeah, I was just like, okay, I think it's about time I upgrade. But this time I don't want to upgrade to a phone. Excuse me, I've always wanted to upgrade to a camera. And so I actually did that earlier this year. And so I bought the Sony ZV-E10, which was honestly a great camera. Like the sharpness, the quality, especially low light videos. Oh my god, they were amazing. There's really a night and day difference between filming on a phone and filming on a camera. And honestly, I thought people were just exaggerating it, and until I realized that, okay, that's not the case. And so yeah, so I bought that, but I didn't realize how important a stabilizer would be, or a gimbal. And so I ended up having to return it because I was not enjoying the footage. Although it was crisp, it was sharp, it was like clean, it shook more than a patient with Parkinson's disease. And I just did not appreciate that because it really just looked like you were intentionally trying to make the footage to look bad. But whenever I had to film something on a tripod, or something where I wasn't moving, the quality amazing. And so it really just put me in a position where I was like, okay, no, I don't really like this. So I returned it. And so I was just in a bit of a hiatus with that. But I mean, to be fair, I also was juggling schoolwork because I had a lot of work this semester. And so I think maybe I'll also try and come and incorporate a bit more of that going forward. Things like, because obviously I'm not always traveling. So I think I might also want to start doing more, vlogs around being a uni student in Europe and just trying to understand what that looks like for me. And yeah, hopefully hear what student life looks like for other people in other countries. And yeah, let's see if we can also try and interview a few international students and see how they view uni life in Europe versus wherever it is that they come from. Anyways, long story short, I eventually bought a camera. I found a camera that I think was within my budget. And so I hope it's not going to be a bad investment and that it will give me everything that I hope to get out of it and be able to give the footage that I would want to see on my page, the quality of the footage, I mean. And so yeah, I mean, let's unbox it. So here it is. It just arrived today, not too long ago. And so yeah, let's see what this thing is about. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think most of you have seen this thing on the internet. I also saw a bunch of videos on TikTok and YouTube, and so I was like, okay, you know what? I was sold a bit, so I was like, okay, let's just give it a try and see how it performs. And so yeah, let's do an unboxing, and then of course over the next couple of weeks, I'll also try and go out and test it out, see if it is really worth the hype, whether it is living up to its name. And it's nice because they make gimbals, so hopefully that will mean something. Yeah, let's get into it. So I have my knife. I think I bought this in my very first year of some architecture class I had to take, and yeah, I've had it since then. So let us see. Uguchi. Damn. Okay, people always make this look so effortless. Alright. Okay. Damn it. This is so embarrassing, guys. Alright, now so. Alright, so honestly, I'm more surprised at how fast the delivery was. And okay, just some papers. Ooh, okay. So it is this. So I bought the refurbished. I think that's what the RB unit means. So it is the refurbished unit. Because I was like, okay, I also don't want to put too much money into something that I'm not 100% sure about. But yeah, it seems to be quite good. And the promise good quality. And so I also have a memory card. And I think that's everything. Oh, and receipt. Yeah, like a receipt. And nothing else. Yep, that's it. Yep. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, I'm gonna need that again. Yeah, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to commit to it, so I was like, okay. And it was a bit cheaper than the original one, or the new, let me say. So I was like, okay, let's just give this refurbished one a try and see what it does. So yeah, hopefully it does what it promises to do. Yeah, okay. Yo, damn, look, I got these stickers. It's not failing. What is with all these stickers? Okay. Oh. Oh damn, this takes me back. I used to think these were sweets when I was a child. Almost ate them, but you know, parents stopped me, thankfully. So I bought the creator combo, which is a bit different from, I don't know, the regular one. I don't know what to call it. And so this is, I guess, everything in there. We'll get into it in a wee bit. Let's see what else they have. I guess stickers. What are these? Yeah, like DJI stickers, I believe. I have no idea. Yeah. And then a start guide, a quick start guide. Oh, so there's also like a QR code for the, I think it's like some app that they've also developed, which, yeah, it's great. And I don't know what this is. It's mostly in like Chinese. I don't know. It's like another manual thing. And more instructions and stuff. Yeah, more paperwork. And then there's also another box in here. I don't know what is inside. Oh, it's like a casing. Yeah, it's just a casing for Inanseka. Let's see. Oh damn! Like I thought this would be a bit more plasticky, but it's yeah, it's got a nice texture to it, and again more paperwork, and it has, I don't know what material this is. Yeah, but anyways, this is what you would use to, like, I don't know, move around with it or something. All right, so let's get into the serious stuff. Okay, I'm quite excited. So yeah, yeah, nice packaging. So DJI, like I said, so it is the brand. And let us see what is inside. Oh damn, there's a lot going on. Okay, so first things first, there's this microphone, which I think is great that it comes with a microphone. So if you're gonna be filming outside, that works out well. And I think this is the, let me see. It's like an external battery. Yeah. So it's an external battery for the camera. Because I don't know what's the battery life on it. But yeah. It basically works as that. Then it can also help to like extend your nuance. And yeah. And then what else is there? So another one quite similar to the previous one. It's not a battery thing, it's just to help you connect it to the to a tripod or something like that. And okay, then they have, what is this? Okay, so this is the tripod legs. I don't know. Yeah, so you would basically connect this to that or the other one if you want to make it a bit longer, and then you can also, yeah, we'll see what the setup looks like in a wee bit. And then oh yeah, okay, so apparently my footage got cut, but anyways, yeah, so there's the extender thing. Oh wow, sorry. Anyways, and then yeah, in the box is also the actual camera. So, okay, I think I already accidentally turned it on. So let's peel the nuance and see what's there. Okay, so yeah, so that's the menu. And I just need to select English because that is the only, I don't know what these other languages are. Okay, there's Deutsch, Espanol, French, Italian. I don't know if this is Ukrainian. I don't know. What is this? Portuguese, Turkish, Indonesian, and Polski. So Polish. I don't know what these other ones are. I'm assuming this one looks like Korean, one looks like Japanese, the other one like Mandarin Chinese. I don't know what the other ones are because they don't have words. Yeah, so English. Device name Osmo, don't scan QR to download. Okay, so this is a test footage of yeah. So I have the wide angle lens thing. I also don't know how this microphone works, honestly. So honestly, this could like probably be not working for all I know. But anyways, yeah, hope the footage is a lot better. So like I said, still early days. We're trying to learn how does this thing work. I'm yet to read through some of these manuals because there's quite a lot of them, and I don't have the time because it is almost time. Oh snap! It's actually almost time for my consultation because yeah, so I have to meet with my supervisor and see what's up. Because after that, I was gonna go out, but it's quite gloomy today. I think it's gonna be that way the entire day. Let me see what the weather's like. It's like 15, so and apparently there might be a thunderstorm nuance. There's a thunderstorm warning from some meteorology. Yeah, from some, how do you pronounce that word? Meteorology? What? Anyways, yeah, those weather people. So apparently there might be a thunderstorm, and yeah, it's gonna be quite overcast for, oh my god, for the next coming week. I honestly don't understand what is up with this weather, because can it make up its mind on whether it's summer or winter? Like, what are we doing? You get what I mean? But yeah, let me get prepared. Let me get ready for my consultation, because yeah, there's a lot of work that not a lot, but there's some work that I still need to finish up or wrap up, let me say. And we're gonna go out, try out this camera. So it's set up now because I needed to charge because it didn't have enough battery, and so it's also quite distracting looking at the screen instead of focusing on the lens. But hopefully I'll get used to that. So yeah, like I said, so this is that thing, and basically what it does is, yeah, you'll place. Because right now I have the, I think, I don't know if I mentioned this, I have the wide angle lens. So I think you would put it somewhere there, it magnetically attaches, and then the rest of the camera would go somewhere here and a bunch of other things as well. And so this is the bag it came in. Jingong Shilo. There was the camera, the power bank, I guess, if you wanna call it that. And honestly, I don't understand the purpose of like this thing, to be honest, because if the other one helps you to charge, and it also has like I don't know what they call this pin. Basically, the pin that you would use to connect it to like Libijang, a tripod. So I don't understand why they have this, because it honestly just serves no purpose. And what else is there? Oh, so I already put in the micro SD card. So this obviously would just, I'd have to put it in here. It's the Kingston, what you might call it. So I just have to remove it and then put it in there and plug it to my computer so that I can, transfer footage. And also downloaded this app. Apparently, it's important. Well, it's helpful. Let me say, the DJI Mimo. So it basically just helps, kind of serves as an extra viewfinder, which is great. But I think it requires you to always be connected to the Wi-Fi. I don't know, which can be a bit challenging if you are traveling. But hey, we'll see when we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Anyways, yeah, let me check you guys later, and with hopefully I'll be out and about trying this baby out, for at least for the next 2 weeks, because they have a 14-day return policy. So if I'm not really happy with the footage, I think I might return it. But so far so good. And I mean, again, it's because I'm not really moving. So we'll go and see what it looks like in the field, And oh, maybe I think tomorrow I might take it out with me, because I might go to the field, or today. I don't know. I haven't decided, because I think I might have to go and do some field work. I haven't decided, but yeah, we'll see. If I do, I'll try and vlog that. If not, then yeah, it is what it is.